Damn, boys, look how clean this thing is. Yeah, damn, I think that's the cleanest I've ever had this car. Can you tell a difference? Like, this thing is super clean. Here, start that thing up. Hey, man, make sure you follow the 1bad8 on IG. Just, you know, don't rev it, just crank it. You know?
Okay,
Don't put the pedal on the... But yeah, boys, so we got a quick little meet today. Taking a little cruise, go to the meet, see some cars. I got all these dash lights like a Christmas tree. And then this is where we roll the footage. Damn, boys, look at Casey's car. Yeah. Mustang. Yo, me and Casey traded cars, alright?
Yo, T, let me drive this thing.
He's got the fast car now.
Get a 6-pack of Twisted Tea.
I got the clean car. We're not drinking
Yeah,
this.
you're 21.
Where's some twin Terpsies? Ooh. God, this thing is so like tight.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty sick.